Yes, sir. Where did you pass your childhood?
I passed my childhood in my village.
Okay. At which school did you start your primary education?
I started my primary education at Kandotpara School.
Okay. How many years did you need for primary education?
I needed 6 years primary education.
For primary education, for
For primary education, okay.
Did you go anywhere last Friday?
Yes, I went to family get together last Friday.
Who did it, who did you go there with?
I went there with my family member.
Okay. How long did you stay there?
I stayed for 3 hours.
Did you watch the last World Cup cricket?
Yes, I watched the last World Cup cricket. I watched.
How did you watch the last World Cup cricket?
I watched the last World Cup cricket on TV.
Did you watch all the matches?
No, I didn't watch all matches.
all the matches.
How many,
All the matches, yes.
how many matches did you watch?
I watched 10 matches.
Okay. Which country did you support in the last World Cup?
I supported Bangladesh. Supported.
Okay. Why did you support the country? That
I
country.
I supported the country because because of the performance of the players of that country.
Okay. Which country played the final match?
Acha, final match Argentina, Brazil, and India played the final match.
তিনটা খেলছিল নাকি?
আমি যে ফুটবলে
হ্যাঁ, ক্রিকেট।
কানাডা কে খেলেছে, ইন্ডিয়া খেলেছে এটা জানি। ইন্ডিয়ার মনে হয়। আচ্ছা।
Okay. Did you watch the final match?
I watched the final match.
একটা yes লাগাতে হবে। Yes, I watched the final match.
Oh yes, I watched the final match. Watched.
Okay. Which country became
champion the last World Cup?
The last World Cup cricket.
স্যার এই আগেরটা কি জন্য রাখছেন?
ওই যে কোন দেশ হলো দেশের নাম লাগাতে হবে ওখানে। দেশের নাম আসবে ওখানে।
Brazil became champion in the last World Cup cricket.
আচ্ছা।
Okay.
Where did you celebrate the last Eid ul Fitr?
I celebrated the last Eid ul Fitr in my
village
Saudi
home.
Arabia.
আচ্ছা, in my present residence.
Oh, present resident.
হ্যাঁ, বর্তমানে যেখানে আছি ওখানে আর কি।
Did you celebrate the Eid?
জি জি, আবার বলেন।
হ্যাঁ, with whom did you celebrate the Eid?
With whom did you celebrate the Eid?
Yes,
yes হবে না। WH ওর দেওয়ালে yes নো আসে না, সরাসরি উত্তর I celebrated the Eid
with my family.
Family members.
Okay. Did you say Eid prayer?
Huh?
Did you say Eid prayer?
Yes, I said Eid prayer in our local mosque. Nah, yes, I said prayer. Yes, I said prayer.
Where did you say Eid prayer?
Why did you say it prayer? Ever হবে. I said prayer in our local mosque. এটা হবে।
Did you buy anything on the occasion of last Eid?
হ্যাঁ, মানে যে অকেশনের জন্য গিফট কিনেছে। Yes, I bought 3 dresses on the occasion of last Eid. স্যার ড্রেসেস হবে না?
I bought 3 dresses.
ও,
3টা ড্রেস কিনেছিলাম।
Okay.
I bought
For how much money did you buy the
dresses?
Dresses.
I bought a dress. I bought 10,000 for টাকা।
না, উল্টো হয়ে গেছে। I bought the dresses for 10,000 টাকা।
Oh, I bought the dresses for 10,000 টাকা। Yes. Okay.
Did you respect your parents on Eid day?
Yes, I respected my parents on Eid day.
Okay. Did you visit your relative house on Eid day?
Houses.
Wow.
On Eid day. Yes, I visited my relatives' houses on Eid day.
Okay.
Can I say relatives?
Whom did you visit your relative houses?
Yeah, with whom? Yes, I visited my relatives' houses on on Eid day.
ইয়েস হবে না, সরাসরি উত্তর হচ্ছে ইয়েস বাদ দিয়ে আই ভিজিটেড মাই রিলেটিভ হাউসেস উইথ মাই ফ্যামিলি
On Eid
মেম্বার্স।
day.
Okay. Did you go to their last trade fair?
ট্রেড ফেয়ার।
Trade fair.
Trade
Did you go to last fair? Yes, I went to the last trade fair. Banijya Mela.
With whom did you to the trade
Did you
fair?
go to the? With whom did you go to the
Okay. With whom did you go to the
trade fair? Yes, I went to the trade fair with my family member.
Okay. How many times did you go to the trade fair?
I went to the trade fair 2 times. মানে কতবার গিয়েছিলাম? 2 times.
What did you buy for the trade fair?
From the trade fair.
Yes, I bought dresses from the trade fair.
I bought কয়টা ড্রেস বলতে I bought 2 dresses অথবা 1 ড্রেস, একটা সংখ্যা আসবে।
ও সংখ্যা দিতে হবে। ও I bought 3 dresses from the trade fair.
Okay. For how much money did you buy the 3 dresses?
Buy the dresses, তখন আর 3 হবে না, দি লাগালে সংখ্যা আসবে।
আচ্ছা, I bought the 3 dresses for
3 তো হবে না, I bought the dresses. I bought the dresses.
Oh,
I bought the dresses for
10,000 টাকা.
5,000 টাকা. Okay.
I bought the dresses for 10,000 টাকা. Okay.
How many stalls did you visit in the trade fair?
I invested.
I visited.
Sorry, I visited all the stalls in the trade fair. Visited.
How long did you need to go to the trade fair?
I needed 3 hours to go to the trade fair.
Okay. How long did you stay in the trade fair?
I stayed. করেছিলেন পাস্টের জন্য স্টে থেকে স্টেড
I stayed.
I stayed for 3 hours in the trade fair.
Okay.